The second skill that you need to be able to solve a rational equation involves multiplying fractions. So let's just review some of the basics for the multiplying numeric fractions. Recall if I have, for instance, 2/3 times 4/5, the rule for multiplying fractions is that I multiply the numerators and multiply denominators. So 2 times 4 over 3 times 5, which simplifies to be 8 divided by 15. 4/21 times 7 divided by 20. In this case, we could multiply 4 times 7 divided by 21 times 20, but then we have to simplify that fraction. An easier way to approach it is to divide out common factors first. Notice that between 4 and 20, a common factor is 4. 4 divided into 4 is 1. 4 into 20 is 5. 7 and 21 have common factor of 7. 7 into 7 is 1. 7 into 21 is 3. Now we multiply the remaining factors in the numerator. 1 times 1 is 1, divided by the product of factors in the denominator. 3 times 5 is 15. So the product of fractions rule states that if you have A divided by B times C divided by D, the result is A times C divided by B times D. Of course, that's given that B and D are not 0. Extending this to algebraic fractions, the first example is 12 times the expression x plus 2 divided by 4. In these cases, I want to divide out the common factor first. 4 divides into 12 3 times, and then I multiply the 3 times the x plus 2 to get 3x plus 6. If we have 3 times x minus 2 times x minus 1 times the rational expression x minus 4 divided by 3 times x minus 1, we divide out the common factors of 3 and x minus 1, leaving x minus 2 times x minus 4. Multiplying those gives us x squared minus 4x minus 2x plus 8, or x squared minus 6x plus 8. Again, just let me point this out here that when we look at 12, it's really 12 divided by 1, right? And that's why we don't really have a denominator that I've written is understood to be 1. I have not written it explicitly, but it is understood to be 1. 3 times x minus 2 times x minus 1 is really all divided by 1. So we are dividing out things from the denominator and numerator that are common factors. So if you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact me on this topic.